Pia Kamal Kanwar Online TV channel Kajan Gwa Samemi Jiram Jidit Kanwar Online TV channel Gorijan o Gender Janwaga Nasan Kokien Bana Rachame Bana Jeling Kilarame Gorijan o Bana Roitenatama and Lerban Lingwasame ala Jang to one time and tell Lloydian Lunko Shan where Shakanak tell Lloydian Mishakan and social media Tardan and cook and celebrate Kaja ala Ken chicken ngade condemn chicken tadan chicken mayadi chicken condemn I'm not surprised kashan surprised ko ngaje no these are criminal Kennedy contain na kanwere 2013 so they are celebrating the killing of innocent children in Nasser and Longechuk by the Kir SSPDF and Uganda la Uganda ni Uganda Defense Force ala de diana dan en kwala use Kir mayadi ten chape ko na kanwere Mechi talk tiang there ajalung the whole South Sudan should not be celebrating it. So Tanya Largano Jagaja bech can nourish and Jagadan talk. Unfortunately Kumakir Mayadit tell Lloydian Manancho a lot. Of course it is not surprise, you know. I know she can name chicken a lot. You know. She point can the county la jang chiga mat kel can the county la dejni nyang Uganda gwa the metem go rabanwa yakel let's see men le roda jene gwa the me so channa minguch ala kuma kirma yadit and tema chiga nwer kono konen chunkel ke kuma kirma yadit manana chikana lat gwa me channa jaminguch bakel na me Turana me biajanen wuda me dio jangai kondiale mechi de kirma yadi chaganang re wich ke juba dinde konte chicken te churian bar no jen chaje lor gwada me ala kente na Lloydian kemen le roda right now they are simply posting picture no katada na leri game le roda ja so they are celebrating le adan and lugard ke jere wichin winami ka chane ken chaka ken. So what kind of kume metedina me kataga nuer ticketin would me gan nuera you know this is guy jen gar chale kwade dan issue mechi dene kum kirma yadi chaga nangre wiki juba you guys can see it kwaje embrace along and wojan chalan mugwalat you know GSS PDF and con and nagakon another thing would me menen yana me jen Ramadan lay men nang nuari tama men jak ri nyale tiang wona nak right now this morning chiga benawd no ku can celebrate and me ramong dana kula the gwas me major general lure kong jaram dan le tour na magwad me yen right now they are happy ko shan wer shakan you are there enjoying god tiene ya so kene wale I will read it men cha gor general lure kong so goro je be nywake turun kena ti ko biya kula ngaje no ngum la rode me riek ku kan celebrate ni jen go cha rama me cha ne ken cha gono while they are now killing innocent Nuer people kanaser kane wulang ke Longechuk so gwai wude raj medan jin wude mo chanman cha gor gwasme instead of dong de kan manani or la de kan condemn la ne kin so ten Lloydian SSPDF command appreciate the leader of the Nuer army I don't think if Nuer de Lloydian tet kam lat commentam SSPDF tied and chana ne jetiang today in the morning March 17 today is 17 right today in the morning, March 17, 2025, the SSPDF command held a formal Thanksgiving meeting with Mr. Kwat Nyang Banang, leader of the Nuer army from Bong village, Bong Payam, Akobo County, Jonglei State, would force rescue protected natures even the extraction process and accompany to Juba SSPDF survivor of the Nasser attack. Ten Lloydian no chakanong na. While they are killing innocent children, Nasser. Okay? The command lauded and highly appreciate patriotic move the people of Bong demonstrated We result in the preservation of the preacher's life of 12 dedicated servicemen. The people of Bong and Greater Nuer were encouraged to remain neutral, as they had demonstrated prior to the eruption of Clutch and Nasser. Imagine, Yoskalo Nuer and we can remain as neutral, while Nakane Konantare we can Nasser. Kuma medeg now. I don't think no Nuer can like an me Michal Gorguada me. Chilodian dated. La cluster bomb and Yoske Keneti. I will show it to you again. This is a cluster bomb. Titi can do the corner, can neck the Nedi Jandang, you can nakare with Kanasser, kɛnɛ longechuk. And they are very happy with that. Chol karudine wo kanete mo kume. Tilwakana ke kume UPDF, Uganda Defense Force. Kume metedi in kume no more. She kume already. Fail kume. Who can celebrate no? Isha na shaka extract shaka look. Come palgane ke tedo. Ka kumalka. Chicken lonya la something else. Dia ramanga yana dia waja. General Kong Chorale. Jana telo da boke udeme. Ko chane ken shaka ken. Ka jana shiga na bom tiang. Are they happy? Kanega chana gada kanasser? Telo dian? Oh, beja long by the way, serious. Beja long. So me bej. So na me jendana go de nywaga yekel. People should not be happy about manana chitok gwana ka garten. Mugor kana nguchi nyeni kan ke jejen boro. Aka bika ground force bikana won ke jejen boro. Ko dong de kanu nang na garde we can answer. Na me cha condemn. A chengi kana bu condemn pan ken kon tegre kuma ka ko telo diene ko chanwer sha kanak. So bukot an la kon yalbe manana tege bele guch. So jendana go de nywa yekel be atega mal.